For chic, laid-back holiday outfits, you are in the right place. I'm sharing tons of them today. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty style guru. And today I'm sharing with you some very casual, very laid-back holiday outfits. You know, you want to look put together, but you want to be very chill, very vibe. Maybe you're spending the holiday with your family, you're not doing anything crazy that needs you to be dressed up, and you're just looking for some chic, casual holiday outfit inspiration. You're in the right place. Before we get into it though, don't forget not only to hit that thumbs up button, but also to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You don't want to miss a video from me. Not only do I share where to buy things, but I give you tons of outfit inspiration, give you tips on how to put outfits together to build a wardrobe that you love and works for you, and build your confidence so that you can translate that confidence into other areas of your life. So make sure you follow along. As always, if there is something that you like, I have links in the description below so you can shop the looks or something similar there. If you're new and you don't really know me, I live in the Metro Detroit area right now, but every holiday season, I drive back to my hometown of Wausau, Wisconsin. That's right, Wausau! And I go to spend the holidays with my mom, and it's very laid back. Like, even though Wausau's trying to have this like resurgence and try and make it more posh, literally the shopping there, I was just there for Thanksgiving. We have a TJ Maxx, Maurice's, The Buckle, Target, and that's about it for like in-person shopping besides some like boutiques. So that gives you just kind of the idea of how people dress. It's not quite a suburb, but it's not quite the country. It's like that mix of kind of just on the cusp of being like small town, country town, and like the nearest major city would be like Milwaukee or Madison, which is like an hour and a half to like 2-hour drive. So the vibes are very, very like casual, very, very laid back. And I always hang out with like my mom, and she is very, very athleisure. Like, that is her look. She loves a good like legging, chic jacket, cute boots combo. Like, that is the vibe. So I do try and match that when I go home. I don't try and go too over the top because it's just like very laid back, and it's cold. So it's like, so I try to dress, you know, that appropriately for the weather. So I wanted to share with you some super casual, and I mean more casual than you normally see me. Like, yes, there is athleisure looks in here, outfits for the holiday season to give you some inspiration in case you are also headed back home, or you just are looking for ways to be chic while you're chilling with the fam. Let's get into these casual chic holiday outfits. The very first outfit is honestly just a super comfy Santa onesie. I literally wear this every year. I've got this 3 years ago in the men's section at Target on sale. It is absolutely cozy, and I always pair it with these really, really comfortable slippers because my mom has hardwood floors and those feet get cold, girl, okay? So this is honestly like my super casual, very comfy, realistically what I'm wearing for the holidays. And my mom even got Anna a matching buffalo plaid onesie, so we wear these together to celebrate the holidays with the family. It's super comfortable, super laid back, so a onesie is a really great option to just be chilling at home and be comfortable, but also have some fun during the holiday season.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Next is like the quintessential Wausau casual outfit, okay? This is like athleisure, but cozy, and it's just like perfect. So I have this really cute green matching set, and actually it's not a matching set at all. The top is from H&M in a size small. I love their workout tops. Super comfortable. And then these pants I actually scored at TJ Maxx. Believe the brand is called Pear, and they're a size medium, but they pair so well together. And of course, green for the holidays. So if you're thinking about wearing some athleisure, try and find some just in the holiday colors to give it a little bit of holiday spirit. Super casual, but of course super comfortable, plenty of room for whatever holiday meals you plan to eat. Then if you are gonna venture outside, I just threw on these really comfortable Forever 21 boots and this jacket from Urban Outfitters. This is like a super casual, like really running really quickly inside. We're not spending much time outside, but cozy yet chic for the holidays. Another equally cozy outfit idea is to pair just some really thick leggings. These are some ribbed PJ leggings from ASOS. I really, really love them. They are super comfortable, perfect for layering in winter. And I wore it with this really cute turtleneck top, something breathable. It is sleeveless underneath because I sweat a lot, so I wanted to give myself just a little bit of room to not have to sweat on my shirt and worry about it. And then pair it with a fun jacket. So you guys have seen this cream jacket from H&M. I love it. And this is just, again, super comfortable, but really chic. A jacket is an easy way to step up any kind of athleisure look to make it look a little more put together instead of just like you rolled out of the house in your PJs. Then to top off the look, if you are gonna go outside, Wausau has a bunch of snow if you're in the Midwest. So I have these Ugg boots. I've had these for a long time. Actually, these are a hand-me-down from my mother because personally, I'm really not a huge fan of Uggs, but these work. And this is, again, like you're gonna run some errands really quick, might leave the house to grab 1 or 2 last minute things, but then you're gonna come back home and you wanna be super comfy and super cozy. A step up from athleisure is just to swap out your bottoms with some jeans, so a sweater, some jeans, some cute ankle boots. Super comfortable, but a little more dressier if you have kind of like the family coming together. Maybe your in-laws are coming into town and you want to just look a step up from casual. So this very first look I put together, this top is actually part of a set from Lulu's. Love it. Burgundy is a great color, obviously, for the holidays. And I paired it with just some mom jeans because they're super comfortable, tons of room. And I love this pair from H&M. I literally have this in like 3 different shades. They are so, so comfortable. And then I paired them with these fun velvet red boots. These are a Kendall Kylie production. I'm not gonna say I absolutely love them, but I love matching my sweater with the boots. I just think that makes it look a little more put together. So this is, again, something super perfect for a little bit dressier but still casual outfit for the holidays. Another take on this, if you're not a big fan of mom jeans, is again the sweater matching the shoes, but go ahead and swap out the mom jeans for some wide leg jeans. So I have this really cute, super comfortable sweater. This is from Dynamite Clothing. This is a newer brand to me and I really, really love their pieces. I have not been disappointed. So if you're looking for a new brand to shop, you should check them out. And these jeans, you guys have seen these wide leg jeans from H&M. H&M has been my go-to for jeans. I don't know who is in charge, but they have been doing it right for me. And I just love this look, again, with like the pointed ankle boots in the green. Super chic, super classy, very minimal. It's not over the top, and again, it's something that's gonna be casual and comfortable while still looking put together for the holidays. Before we get into the rest of the looks, I am super curious. One, where are you spending the holidays? Are you spending it at home with maybe like your bae or your friends? Are you going like back to your hometown to hang out with your family? How are you spending the holidays? Let me know in the comments below. Another very minimal but super chic outfit idea, a sweater dress. They're so comfortable, there's plenty of room, and it's just so soft, and I really, really love this one that I just got from H&M during Black Friday. 30% off plus my 15% student discount, so we got this for the low. And I decided to do something a little bit different, so I have these knee-high boots also scored on Black Friday. These are from ASOS, and I just love this. It's like a little bit dressed up, but still very casual. And a good sweater dress just goes a really long way. So if you're chilling with family, you know, you can be nice and comfortable, or if you want to be a little bit dressier because you have some guests coming over, this is a great look. And if these boots are not your style, there are tons of other boots. Some cute knee-high boots would be amazing. Or if you're just gonna be walking around your house and you want to be a little more comfortable, the slippers that you saw with my Santa suit would also be absolutely perfect. Just to give you another option with the sweater dress, you guys know I love a monochrome look, so I got this sweater dress from H&M also on sale. It's okay, honestly. I have it in a size small. This might go back, but I really did like the concept, so I wanted to show it to you. So again, another really comfortable, simple sweater dress, and then some boots in a similar color. So I have the dark green boots. These are from ASOS. You have seen these. I love them. And again, just a little more holiday spirit than the white. The white is a little more crisp, a little more clean. And the green gives you some room in case you like spill something, you know, and plus it's very, very holiday, very, very chic. And green, especially the shade of green, is having a moment right now. So you cannot go wrong with just like a chic green sweater dress and some matching ankle boots. Another really chic but comfortable outfit idea is just matching your cozy knits. So I have this really fun zebra print top. I really love zebra print. It is having a moment. For winter, you're gonna see zebra print everywhere, mark my words. And I just paired it with these really fun green knit flare pants. The green, again, for the holiday, it's Christmas, you wanna be festive. Both of these pieces are old, but the concept still stands. A cute, cozy, chunky sweater and then tucked into some nice, like, more form-fitted pants. It can show off your figure, still be super casual while being really, really comfortable. I cannot stress this enough. I want you to be comfortable for the holidays, but I also want you to look cute. And of course, just polishing it off with the green shoes. Again, I love a good monochrome fit. This is super casual, little fun, little different, but very, very great for the holidays. Last but certainly not least, don't sleep on a matching set. You know I love a good matching set. I have so many, literally it would make you sick. This is from Lulu's. I got this 2 years ago. It is super comfortable, super perfect, and what I love about a set like this is you can wear it as is, some chunky boots like I have here. These ones are from ASOS, and it's very comfortable, very cozy, very laid back, but still put together. And I just love pieces like that. And what I love about this set too is you can easily add a really chic belt or a coat to really step it up and dress it up if you need to. But if you don't have to, keep it casual, wear it as is. This is super comfortable, and of course red for the holidays, you cannot go wrong. And this set will double actually for Valentine's Day and be super perfect, so you can actually get a lot of wear out of a set like this. And that is it, a bunch of chic casual outfit ideas. Again, super cozy. We've got some athleisure, but then a little more, you know, dressier with some jeans, some ankle boots, you know, but still comfortable. So you still have that coziness, but you're also a little more put together depending on how you're spending the holidays. I'm super curious which look was your favorite. Let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a video from me. And I really hope you found this video helpful because I truly want you to feel empowered. I want you to see how outfits work together, how you can make outfits work for you, and how you can give yourself that confidence and translate that confidence into other areas of your life, because queen, you deserve it. You are a boss and you deserve all the things that you are working so hard to get, and I really want to give you ways to get there. With that, thank you so much for watching. As you know, we are in Vlogmas mode, so there will be another video in just a couple days. So thank you again for watching all the way through, and I will see you soon. Bye.